Dimensional Insight Diver Platform Online Training. What is Dimensional Insight Diver Platform, and how does it support data analytics? The Dimensional Insight Diver Platform is a business intelligence, buy, and data analytics platform designed to help organizations make informed, data-driven decisions. It provides tools for data integration, visualization, reporting, and performance management. The platform is particularly known for its ability to handle complex data environments and provide meaningful insights tailored to specific business needs. Key features of the Diver platform: data integration. The platform can integrate data from multiple sources, including databases, ERP systems, spreadsheets, and cloud applications. It supports ETL, extract, transform, load, processes to cleanse, transform, and organize data for analysis. Data visualization. Users can create interactive dashboards and visualizations to monitor KPIs and trends. It offers customizable charts, graphs, and maps for better data interpretation. Ad hoc analysis. With tools like Diver Portals and DiveTab, users can perform ad hoc analysis, exploring data without relying on predefined reports. The Dive functionality allows users to drill down into data layers for granular insights. Performance metrics and KPIs. The platform supports the creation of key performance indicators, KPIs, and scorecards to measure and monitor organizational performance. Mobile accessibility. It provides mobile solutions for accessing data and insights on the go, supporting productivity in remote or field environments. Governance and compliance. Robust security and governance features ensure that data access is controlled and compliant with industry standards. Self-service buy. Non-technical users can easily access, explore, and analyze data through user-friendly interfaces, reducing dependence on IT teams. How the Diver platform supports data analytics. Enhanced decision-making. By consolidating and analyzing data from various sources, Diver provides actionable insights that drive strategic decisions. Real-time data access. The platform supports real-time data updates, ensuring users have access to the latest information for their analysis. Scalability for different industries. Diver is versatile and widely used across industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, supply chain, and retail. It tailors analytics solutions to industry-specific challenges. Drill-down capabilities. Users can dive deep into the data to uncover the root causes of issues or identify trends and opportunities that might not be apparent at a high level. Efficiency in reporting. Automated reporting and alerts save time and enable teams to focus on critical areas requiring immediate attention. How to build and navigate dashboards in the Diver platform. Building and navigating dashboards in the Diver platform involves using its dashboard module, which is designed for intuitive data visualization and analysis. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Building dashboards. Step 1. Access the dashboard module. Log into the Diver platform. Navigate to the dashboard module from the menu. Step 2. Create a new dashboard. Select Create Dashboard or a similar option from the dashboard workspace. Choose a template or start with a blank canvas depending on your preferences. Step 3. Add components. Use drag and drop functionality to add components such as charts, example bar, pie, or line charts. Tables for detailed tabular data. KPIs to display key performance indicators. Filters to allow dynamic data slicing by users. Step 4. Link data sources. Connect the dashboard components to the appropriate data models or sources. Define dimensions, measures, and filters for the selected data. Use div lines to connect to data within the platform or upload external files for analysis. Step 5. Customize visualization. Adjust the appearance of components by configuring colors, labels, and legends. Axis scales and grid lines. Font sizes and alignment for readability. Step 6. Save and share. Save the dashboard with an appropriate name. Share it with relevant stakeholders by assigning permissions or publishing it to a shared workspace. 2. Navigating dashboards. Step 1. Open the dashboard. Locate the desired dashboard from your saved dashboards or shared dashboards section. Step 2. Interact with filters. Use filters to dynamically slice and dice the data. Select specific time periods, regions, or categories. Drill down into data by clicking on chart elements or table rows. What are measures and dimensions in Diver platform, and how are they used for analysis? In the Diver platform, measures and dimensions are foundational concepts used in data analysis and reporting. Here's a breakdown of each and how they are used. 1. Dimensions. Definition. Dimensions are qualitative or categorical data points used to group, categorize, and segment data. They define how data is sliced or organized for analysis. Examples: time, year, quarter, month, day. Geography, a country, region, city. Product, product category, brand, SKU. Customer, age group, gender, customer segment. Usage. Slicing data. Dimensions are used to divide data into meaningful categories for analysis. For instance, sales data can be grouped by region or product category. Filtering. They enable users to drill down into specific subsets of data. For example, analyzing sales in a particular region for a specific month. Hierarchies. Dimensions can be arranged hierarchically, like year, quarter, month, day, to support drilling down or rolling up data. 2. Measures. Definition. Measures are quantitative or numerical values that represent the metrics being analyzed. They are typically aggregated, example sum, average, count, to derive insights. Examples: sales revenue, profit margin, units sold, customer count. Usage. Analyzing performance, measures provide the numerical basis for evaluating performance or trends. For example, analyzing total sales over time. Aggregation and calculation. Measures can be aggregated, example total revenue by region, or calculated, example profit margin is equal to profit divided by revenue. Visualizing trends. They are used to create charts, graphs, and dashboards to identify trends or outliers. 3. How dimensions and measures work together. Dimensions and measures work in tandem to provide meaningful insights. Dimensions act as the categories or context, while measures provide the numbers to analyze within that context. How to create and manage reports using Dimensional Insights Diveport. Creating and managing reports in Dimensional Insights Diveport involves leveraging its user-friendly interface to organize, visualize, and interact with data. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Setting up Diveport. Before creating reports, ensure the following. You have Diveport administrator access if managing permissions. Your data sources are properly configured in Dimensional Insight Diver platform, Diver. 2. Creating a new Diveport page. Log in to Diveport. Use your credentials to access the Diveport portal. Create a new page. Navigate to the Manage Pages menu. Select Add Page. Enter a page title and set other preferences like display order or accessibility, public-private. Assign permissions. Use groups or users to assign access to the page. 3. Adding components, portlets. Diveport uses portlets to display different types of data and visuals. Here's how to add and configure them. Select portlet type. Click Add Portlet and choose from types like chart, visualize data with line, bar, pie charts, etc. Table, display tabular data. KPI, highlight metrics and key indicators. Data Dive, provide direct links to Dive data models. Configure the portlet. Choose the data source, example, Diver model, .dive files, or Spectre files. Set filters, groupings, and data ranges as needed. Adjust the layout and formatting options. What are the best practices for data integration and ETL in Diver platform? Data integration and ETL, extract, transform, load, in Diver platform can be streamlined and optimized by following best practices. Here are some recommendations. 1. Understand data sources thoroughly. Audit data sources, understand the structure, volume, and frequency of updates for all data sources before integration. Ensure data quality, validate data for accuracy, completeness, and consistency before starting the ETL process. 2. Plan ETL workflows. Define clear objectives, specify what data should be extracted, how it should be transformed, and where it will be loaded. Use incremental loads, load only changed or new data to reduce processing time and resource consumption. Design for scalability. Prepare for increasing data volumes by creating workflows that scale with business needs. 3. Optimize data transformation. Transform data close to the source. Use pre-processing capabilities in source systems where possible to minimize network and platform load. Leverage Diver platform's built-in tools. Use the native ETL tools in Diver platform for data transformation to maximize efficiency and compatibility. Apply reusable transformation logic. Use consistent transformation rules and document them for reuse across projects. 4. Prioritize performance. Monitor ETL jobs. Regularly track the performance of ETL processes and address bottlenecks. Use parallel processing. If supported, process data in parallel to reduce overall ETL runtime. Optimize queries. Ensure SQL or other data extraction queries are efficient, avoiding unnecessary data fetches or joins. 5. Ensure data governance. Maintain data lineage. Track where data comes from and how it is transformed to ensure traceability. Implement role-based access control. RBAC restrict access to sensitive data based on user roles. Ensure compliance. Adhere to regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, or others relevant to your organization. How to perform advanced data visualization and charting in Diver. Performing advanced data visualization and charting in Diver, Dimensional Insights Diver platform, involves leveraging its robust tools for creating dynamic dashboards and interactive visualizations. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. 1. Understand Diver's visualization tools. Diver offers tools like the Visualize, Workbench, and Diver Portal for creating interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards. Ensure you have access to the correct module for your needs. 2. Preparing your data. Before creating visualizations, ensure your data is clean, well-structured, and loaded into the Diver platform. Use the Workbench to define your data model, Sybase or .mdl files. Perform data transformations or aggregations as necessary. Verify data accuracy and completeness. 3. Access visualization options. In the Diver portal, navigate to Visualize, open the Visualize tool from the portal menu. Choose a chart type, select from chart types like bar and column charts, line charts, heat maps, scatter plots, pie charts. Advanced visualizations, example Pareto charts, KPIs, and bullet graphs. 4. Configure chart settings. Customize your visualization by adding dimensions and measures, drag and drop fields from your dataset. Grouping and filtering, apply groupings, filters, and drill paths to focus on specific data subsets. Adjusting time settings, enable time-based visualizations using temporal data fields. Applying calculations, add derived fields or custom calculations directly to the visualization. 5. Enhance visuals. Leverage Diver's options for advanced customization. Color schemes and conditional formatting. Use Diver's palette to customize chart colors or apply conditional formatting based on thresholds. Tooltips and labels. Enable detailed tooltips for interactive data points. Configure access labels, legends, and titles for clarity. What are the key security features of Dimensional Insight, and how can they be configured? Dimensional Insight, DI, provides robust security features to ensure data confidentiality, integrity, and access control. These features can be configured to meet organizational security requirements. Here's an overview of the key security features and their configuration. Key security features. Role-based access control, RBAC. Users are assigned roles that determine their access to data, reports, and functionality. Granular permissions allow control over who can view, edit, or manage specific components within the applications. User authentication supports various authentication methods, including LDAP Active Directory integration for centralized user management, Single Sign-On SSO via SAML or other protocols for seamless and secure access, Two-factor authentication (2FA) for enhanced login security, data encryption. In transit, TLS SSL encryption ensures secure communication between users and these servers. At rest supports encryption of data stored on disk, safeguarding sensitive information. Audit logging and monitoring. Comprehensive logging of user actions, such as logins, report views, and data access. Enables compliance with industry regulations by tracking and auditing user activities. IP whitelisting and network security. Restrict access to the applications based on IP addresses or ranges. Ensures that only authorized devices or networks can connect to the system. Data governance and masking. Provides tools for data masking or redaction, allowing sensitive data to be hidden from unauthorized users. Ensures compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. Automated session timeout. Configurable idle timeout settings to automatically log users out after a period of inactivity. Prevents unauthorized access from unattended sessions. Custom security policies. Allows customization of password policies, including complexity requirements, expiration periods, and lockout thresholds. Configuring security features. 1. Setting up role-based access control, RBAC. Navigate to the User Management section in the Dimensional Insight application. Create user roles and assign specific permissions, example view only, edit, admin. Assign users to roles based on their responsibilities. Why choose ProExcellency for Dimensional Insight Diver Platform online training? ProExcellency could be a great choice for Dimensional Insight Diver Platform online training because of several potential advantages they might offer. Here are some reasons you might consider choosing them. 1. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often engages industry experts or certified trainers with extensive experience in the Dimensional Insight Diver platform, ensuring that the training is up-to-date and practical. 2. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are known to cover everything from the fundamentals of the platform to advanced features like data modeling, business intelligence, and performance optimization, ensuring participants gain a thorough understanding. 3. Flexible scheduling. ProExcellency typically offers flexible online training schedules to accommodate working professionals and students, which is especially beneficial for global participants in different time zones. 4. Hands-on practice. They focus on practical, hands-on sessions using real-world use cases to ensure participants can apply the knowledge effectively in their workplace. 5. Customized training. If your organization has specific needs, ProExcellency may offer customized training tailored to your industry and business goals, ensuring the knowledge is relevant and actionable. 6. Post-training support. ProExcellency often provides post-training support, including resources, access to recorded sessions, and assistance with real-world challenges to ensure participants are confident using the platform. 7. Certifications and career boost. Upon completing their program, they may provide certifications recognized in the industry, boosting your credibility and career prospects. 8. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency is known for offering competitive pricing for their training programs without compromising on quality, making it accessible for individuals and companies. 9. Industry-specific use cases. Their training programs often include industry-specific use cases, making it easier to understand how the Diver platform can be applied in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and other industries. 10. Proven track record. With years of experience in delivering online training, ProExcellency may have a proven track record of successfully upskilling professionals in business intelligence and analytics platforms like Dimensional Insight Diver. Thank you.